In this video, we're going to work through a practice question that deals with simple weighted average return. The investor's portfolio holds positions across several asset classes. Of course, each asset class has a different return, and you're being asked what you would expect the overall portfolio return to be. There are 3 nuggets of knowledge that will help you answer this question correctly. Nugget number 1. You can't just calculate a simple average of the 3 returns because the portfolio is not divided equally among the various classes. For example, if you add 3%, 6%, and 9% and then divide by 3 to get the simple average, you will arrive at an answer of 6%, which is an incorrect answer. Instead, you need to calculate the simple weighted average return. Nugget number 2. The simple weighted average formula itself can be a little intimidating. If you like math and are good with formulas, here it is. You'll wind up dealing with small numbers, lots of decimals, etc., so it can be a bit confusing. Nugget number 3. If formulas and math aren't your cup of tea, there's an approach that you may find easier. Pretend it's your own portfolio and do the calculations using actual dollars. This will make it easier for you to get your head around what it is you're actually calculating. For example, I always assume that the portfolio value is a nice round amount, like $100,000. This is a large enough portfolio that you won't be dealing with too many pesky decimals. Let's fill out this table together. We have 5% in cash, 25% in fixed income, and 70% in equity. Always add these up to make sure it equals 100%, so you know you haven't made a mistake. If 5% of the $100,000 is in cash, say money market mutual funds for example, that would equal $5,000. If the cash generates a 3% return per year, that would be $150. If we have 25% in fixed income, that would equal $25,000. If the fixed income investment generates a 6% return per year, that would be $1,500. If we have 70% in equity, that would equal $70,000. If the equity investment generates a 9% return per year, that would be $6,300. Now, if the portfolio earns $150 plus $1,500 plus $6,300, that will total $7,950. And if we divide those earnings of $7,950 in dollar return by the $100,000 invested in the portfolio, we arrive at a simple weighted average return of 7.95%. This approach may look like more work, but I think you will find it more intuitive. And when you understand something, it means you don't have to rely on pure memorization.